Okay, now we're gonna do the ABC hunt on the water with bubbles. Are you ready?
Yes.
I want Ethan to find. Can you find the letter E?
Yes.
Find the letter E.
Yeah.
Can you find the letter E?
Still water. Wait, I need to find a turtle.
Where's the letter E? Find it.
Is this the letter E? The letter E?
Go find it. Let's see if Ethan find the letter E.
Is this the letter E?
No. What letter is that?
Is the letter W.
Uh-huh.
Let's put it in the water.
Okay, let's keep searching for the letter E.
Is this the letter E?
No. What letter is that?
It's a letter R.
Okay, put it back. That's not E.
Is this the letter E?
No. What letter is that?
It's the letter K. Let's put in the water back. Oh, that's cute. It's a cute turtle inside the water.
Yeah.
Let's see if he can swim. To find the E.
Okay.
Where's the letter? He's skipped it. I don't know he can find it. Leave here. It's a sea. Some sea water. Is the letter this is number. It's a 2.
What number is that?
It's 2.
Okay.
2 sea water. Let's keep working.
Keep searching for the letter E. E for what? E for?
Elephant.
And what else? Somebody's name.
Cat.
No. E for?
Elephant.
E for?
Eden.
E for?
Eden.
Yes.
I need those words.
Did you find it?
I don't know. I'm looking for it. Letter.
I think I see it. I see the letter E.
Wait, I'm looking something. I found a letter. I found a letter. E.
That's not E. Are you being silly? What letter is that?
C.
Uh-huh.
For C. E.
What letter is that?
It's E.
You found the letter E?
Yeah.
Yay! Uh-huh. Now I want you to find the letter T. Can you find the letter T? What starts with the T?
T for tiger.
Uh-huh. T for train. T for turtle. Where's the T? I'm trying to look for the T. T, where are you?
I is the B. Finger. That all this is this A, this E, is the B, man.
Find the T.
I think I got it.
You got it? Let me see.
I think I got T.
You think you got it? Let me see. Show it to us. Yay! He got the letter T. Now I want you to find the letter H. Yay! You found that one very fast. Okay, put it right there. Now I want you to find the letter A. Yay! He found the letter you to find the letter N.
Wait. N?
What starts with the N?
And for nose.
N for nose, N for 9, N for nest. The letter N. N for nap. Can Ethan find the letter N? Let's see.
What's that F doing, man? I need a search.
Yeah, let's find the N. N, where are you? We are looking for you, N.
Oh no, this is cool.
Where are you, N?
I think anywhere.
And where are you?
I think I cut the went in.
Yeah, you found the last letter to your name? Okay. And what does this spell?
Ethan!
It spells Ethan. E-T-H-A-N. Ethan.
Turtle.
You found a turtle too.